So we're going to do the show. Okay?
You're listening to the
Layla
and Dada show. Yeah, that was good. We're getting so good at this.
Look.
Yeah, that was a really good one.
Yeah.
You're looking at the waveform. That's called a waveform. Stop touching your foot.
What do
You gotta get better at that. Hand there. That's called a waveform.
Oh.
Can you say waveform?
What if it's really big?
Then it's gonna sound bad on people's ears.
Ew.
Yeah. Can you say waveform? Like wave and then form. All right. People can't see you doing that pose though, Layla girl. That's pretty silly. We went for a walk today.
Mm-hmm.
A really good walk too.
Yeah.
And then we played out back for a little.
Mm-hmm. And
then we had lunch. And then Mama got to stop working around lunch.
Mm-hmm.
And I went down to
I want to tell them the thing.
Okay.
Mommy went to the grocery store and she had a mask on and we couldn't go near her when she came back. Can you hear me?
Yeah, they can hear you.
But I don't see any bumps. That means I'm talking into it. Right?
Yeah. You see? Like blah blah.
You're silly, Dada.
See, that's you right there. That's you.
Oh.
When you're a louder volume. Okay. So what else happened with Mama when she got back from the grocery store? You couldn't go near her?
Yeah. And oh, God. I can't even think of anything.
Okay.
But we're making brownies.
We are making brownies. We just had dinner.
Brownie cookies.
Yeah, brownie cookies.
Yeah.
Because that's all they had at the supermarket. They didn't have regular brownie mix that Mama was looking for.
Yeah, and we just started. So it's another day at home.
Yeah. Another day at home.
That we don't like. Because we don't even go anywhere.
Right. Well, hopefully soon that's going to change, and soon we can start seeing people again.
Daddy, they can't hear you.
They can hear me. Don't worry about me. It's you that you're quiet. I'm not quiet. You're quiet.
So, how loud do I need to be? Like this loud?
Like, start talking.
So,
You can be that close to the mic. Just don't touch the mic.
I don't know what I did today.
You didn't do much today. We just hung out, went for a walk.
Yeah.
You started watching a movie that I don't know what it was. Something about a mermaid, Mama said?
Yeah. And the kid got mermaid tails. She went in the sea and saw her other mom.
Wow.
Her real mom.
Oh. Do you like Dada's new chair?
Mm-hmm. It's really
Not as comfy as the old chair, right?
Yes, it is.
It is? Oh, not for me. But
why?
It was cheap.
Why?
I had to stand more times. Why? What? Why is it not as comfy?
Yeah.
The old chair goes back a lot farther, and it just felt more comfortable to me.
But you didn't take the wheels.
Yeah, I took the wheels from the old chair and put them on this chair.
Mm-hmm.
But what color is this chair? This chair's nice looking, right?
Your favorite color.
Yeah.
I don't like your colors.
I love this color.
I don't like
What's Dada's favorite color?
Black. And
the chair's not black though.
And white. And gray.
Yeah.
And
I wear a lot of gray colors, don't I? And I have some. Oh, I'm wearing a gray shirt right now, and I have some gray in my beard, right?
Yeah, and white here and here and everywhere.
Yeah.
Next to Daddy's black auto hair. There's a lot more black, right?
My hair is normally brown, but I don't have a full head of hair, so you can't really tell that my hair is brown.
I see a little bit of hair.
Yeah.
But you don't really have that much.
No, I don't.
You don't have any hair.
Yeah, thanks for telling the world that I'm bald. It's okay.
You're a bald head, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you don't have any hair, you're a bald head.
Bald.
Bald?
Bald. Yeah, B-A-L-D.
B-A-L-D.
Yeah.
How do we say hair?
Spell hair. H-A-I-R.
Like almost as Hannah, because H-A.
Yeah.
She has A. She has a lot of A's in my name. She has a lot of A's in her name.
I wonder if there's another game we can play.
Yeah, maybe we can make up a game so we can play with her.
This is a good time to remind everybody that you can leave a message for Layla to answer on the show. Just go to anchor.fm/Layla Dada and you'll be able to ask Layla a question.
Mm-hmm.
And be sure to subscribe to the show.
Yeah, are we done?
No, we gotta make up a game, right?
Yeah. So how about, do you like or not like?
We already did that game a whole bunch.
I want to do it.
Again? Okay.
It was only 4 times.
Okay. Do you like or not like watching Dada do karate? Or love?
No,
do you love or not like Dada doing karate?
Love.
Watching Dada do karate, I mean. Love?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to tell you only them. You don't, okay?
Okay.
Do you like or love? Wait, I want to do the spelling.
More spelling?
Yeah, because I like that. How do you spell picture?
P-I-C-T-U-R-E.
Backpack.
P-A-C-K-P-A-C-K.
Whoa.
Yeah. But why am I spelling stuff? I already know how to spell this stuff.
I don't know how. So you're teaching me.
Oh, yeah, but those are big words. How about broom?
Broom.
That's kind of a big word for you, too.
B.
Mm-hmm. Sound it out. Broom.
Oh.
Yeah. Ooh.
O.
Mm-hmm. When you hear ooh, it's 2 O's. O-O.
Ooh.
Yeah. And then broom. So how do you spell broom?
B-R-O-O.
Broom.
M.
You got it. You just spelled broom.
I can do it.
Do you want to know how to spell food?
Yeah.
Food. Food.
F.
Uh-huh. Then what 2 letters make up ooh?
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
O-O-O.
2 O's. And then food. D.
D.
So how do you spell food? Food.
F. O-O.
Food.
D.
Good. How do you spell cat?
C. Okay.
Uh-huh. Cat. D. Yeah. You gotta say that louder, though.
C. C. T.
Cat. I'm gonna strap your feet down so you can't touch them anymore.
Why?
Because you can't stop touching your feet.
I know. How are you gonna do
How do you spell
that?
feet?
F.
Mm-hmm. When you hear something like fee, it's E-E, 2 E's.
E-E.
So F, E,
E. T.
Yeah. So stop touching your F-E-E-T's.
Hey. I can't.
I know you can't stop.
I can't stop. Jacket.
Jacket. That's not an easy one.
Can you tell me the letters? How about, Cindy.
Cindy's name? Cydney.
C.
Y-D.
Wait, I want to do it.
Okay.
Now you do the, like...
Okay.
Like that. C.
Nope.
Y.
S.
S.
Sid. But that's tricky because normally it would be an I for but Aunt Lou made it Y. And Uncle Brian decided to do Y.
Y.
So it's Y, then Sid.
D.
N.
N.
E. Sydney.
E. O.
Oh, sorry, I made that noise and I didn't mean to. It's Sydney, but it doesn't end in EE. It ends in EY.
EY?
Sydney, and it ends in EY.
I have a boo-boo. Ah.
You have a boo-boo on your leg?
I'm pretending.
Oh, okay. So, how do you want to wrap up this episode?
Like, we can sing a song, or maybe we can make another story without a dragon or a dinosaur.
Once, there was the tiniest elephant.
Then the elephant wanted to get all the grass. It was too tiny.
The elephant was too tiny for the grass? Oh, man. So the elephant found some spinach.
And the spinach was too big.
So the elephant asked another elephant, a bigger elephant, to stomp on the spinach to make it smaller.
But the spinach is really strong.
So the elephant, the big elephant, couldn't really break it up.
Because the big elephant tried to get the little elephant big as the big elephant. Because it has powers.
The big elephant has powers? Oh. So the big elephant used its powers to summon a knife. And the knife was used to cut the spinach.
So the knife can cut the spinach, so it gets little pieces. So it was still too big.
So instead of the big elephant cutting the spinach even more, because you're already cut into small pieces, he ate the spinach himself. And you know what happened?
What?
What happened?
Can you just tell me?
The big elephant got even bigger. And the little elephant didn't grow at all.
So the little elephant went to his mama, and the elephant said, "Why am I not getting bigger?"
And the mama said, "You need to eat your vegetables.
'Cause then you would grow more."
So little elephant said, "Okay, Mama, I'll go find some more vegetables. Can you help me?"
And the mama said yes.
So they went out of the house together and they looked for all the vegetables and they found
apple.
That's a fruit. It's okay. We can go with that.
Anything that is good and sweet.
Okay. An apple. They found an apple. And the little elephant took a bite of the apple and said, "Ooh, this is yummy." Whoa! The elephant's voice got really deep because the elephant got bigger.
But it's not that big yet.
Not yet.
But it's getting older and bigger.
So the elephant kept finding more food to eat that was good and healthy.
Then it found a banana.
Oh, and it ate a banana, which is also not a vegetable, it's a fruit. And ate the banana all up. Little pieces, of course, but he ate the banana all up because he's still kind of little, but he's bigger than what he was before.
Yeah. So it got like this big.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, your turn.
Oh, my turn? And then it finished the banana and went on to find broccoli.
Yeah, and the broccoli was magic. The broccoli was magic.
So he ate the broccoli, and you know what happened? He got even bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
Then he couldn't even walk because he ate too much vegetables.
Oh, like the caterpillar. But the caterpillar ate too much junk, and then the vegetables made him feel better. But same kind of concept. Yeah. So that was the end of the story because the elephant got bigger from eating healthy foods. The end.
But it got too small, and we're not done.
I think we need to start wrapping this up, Layla girl.
Okay, bye-bye.
Well, we got to do be sure to subscribe.
Yeah.
Be sure to call in and leave Layla a message.
Yeah, and we will do the show.
Yeah.
Please subscribe. Share this with Ellen. Please. Okay, bye-bye.
You've been listening to the
Layla
and Dada
Show.